Yeah, so this thing stopped blowing air, and this is the new one. Looks perfect. Really easy to change. I took the old one out, and you can see positive, negative. I just took a car battery and some wires and tested it, and it didn't spin at all. And then I checked the resistance with a meter. It was like 15 or something. I think anything over 5 is what somebody else said. Then it's not going to work. So, anyways, already have the other one out. All you need is 1/4-inch drive and an 8mm. So I already took the other one out, but there's a little light in here that you don't want to break. But there's just some pull tabs. This little light here, so don't rip it out too hard. But this thing just pops down. And there's a thing in the back too, so if you pull that in the back there. But there's one electrical connection, which is this thing, and I just moved this out of the way. It's kind of a pain. Could probably figure out getting that out, but I just didn't want to break it. So, but let's put the flash on here. I'm gonna try to prop it here for you guys. But you can see that little port. All you gotta do is line this up with that, and then you got 1, 2, 3 8mm. It goes in like that. So we're gonna attempt to prop this maybe. She just fit right in. Blowing. Yeah, so it sounded noisy, and I don't know if that is a mouse or what, but that next to that socket wrench was up in there, and the cabin filter looked a little chewed or beat up. So I'm gonna put it back in, but it seems a lot quieter now. Like it was making a noise before, and I think it was rubbing against that. So I'm gonna put it back. Now it just sounds like moving air. It doesn't, you're not getting the whining noise. Yeah, no more noise. That was it. See, I wanted to blame the part too, and it wasn't. Whatever this piece of crap here. Sure looks like a freaking mouse. Oh, yeah. This thing too, I just had to kind of jiggle it out, so it wasn't too bad. There's those little tabs holding it, but I wanted to make sure I got the vent good, which it's not making the noise anymore. It sounds great, so I'm really glad I didn't have to exchange anything. So, but yeah, now I'm just gonna put this back on. Clips down into it. Oh, hallelujah. I'll have to get a new cabin filter, so if you're doing this job, just buy a new cabin filter while you're at it. Yeah, it's blowing. That's what we want.